What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to send and receive Bitcoin to and from Coinbase. Now, I'm in my Coinbase account right here. As you can see, I have $0. I don't have any Bitcoin, but I'm going to receive an amount of Bitcoin from this platform called Luna. Okay, I have some Bitcoin right here in Luna, and I'm gonna send this amount right here to my Coinbase account. So from one platform, Luno, to another platform, which is Coinbase. So the first thing I need to do is click on send, and here it's gonna ask me to send Bitcoin to the Bitcoin address. I'm gonna put my Bitcoin address right here. Now my Bitcoin address of Coinbase is right here, so I click on receive and I click on show address. Now you can send Bitcoin to Bitcoin only, okay? You can't send Bitcoin to Ethereum. You'll lose all your Bitcoin amount. So Bitcoin to Bitcoin, Litecoin to Litecoin, and so on. All right. So here, this is the address. This is the code that I'm gonna copy and paste it right here. All right. There's another way as well. You can scan that code right here. Okay, but this feature is not available here on Luno. All right. So all you need to do is copy that code and paste it right here. And you wanna put the amount of Bitcoin that you have. I'm gonna send the whole amount, which is this one. Okay, and you can put a note, optional. This is if you're sending to someone else and you want to let him know about something. And basically that's it. You need the code and you need the Bitcoin amount, and you click on next. And here there is a confirmation page, and it will tell you the fee. Okay, there is a fee when you send and a fee when you receive. Okay, so this is how much I have spent. Okay, and I click on confirm, and it's gonna ask me for my two-factor authentication. Now here you have to download the Google Authenticator app. So it tells you the authentication number. You open the app and you see a code where you put the code right here, which is a 6-digit code. So click on authorize, and here I have a push notification sent that is telling me that I'm sending Bitcoin. Okay, and from my phone I click on authorize. You just follow the steps, it's really simple, and here it is. You click on done, and here you have to wait for maybe a couple of hours, a couple of days. Okay, so in a couple of hours or a couple of days, I'm gonna see a Bitcoin amount that is gonna be received here, and a transaction is gonna display right here. So all I need to do is wait. Okay, so it's not gonna take very long, and once I receive the amount on Coinbase, I'm gonna come back right here and show you that I have received it. Now I have left a link in the description box down below. Click on it and sign up for Coinbase. And if you sign up for Coinbase now, you will get a $10 amount of Bitcoin for free of digital currency. Alright, so I've got this email right now telling me that I have received this amount of Bitcoin that I have sent from Luno, and I have received it on Coinbase. Okay, and here it is. So I click on sign in to view transaction, and here you can see the amount received, okay, which is around $8. All right, so I go to my accounts, and also here you can see the transaction. So it's pending until it is processed by Coinbase, and this is the amount right here, $8.64. And I'm gonna see after a while that my accounts here, in my dashboard, it is $8.64 dollars. Okay, so this is how I receive Bitcoin to Coinbase. Okay, now if I want to send, okay, if I want to send from Coinbase, it is the same process that I showed you in Luna. Okay, I click on send right here. Now this send button is disabled because I didn't receive because the transaction is pending and my accounts is zero. Okay, until the transaction is processed, it will be 8.64. So when it's 8.64, I can click on send right here, and it is gonna tell me to enter the Bitcoin address. Okay, so if you are sending, for example, back to Luno, okay, you're gonna click on receive, and it is going to show you, it is going to create a Bitcoin address, which you're going to copy and paste it right here on Coinbase. Okay, so it is the opposite of the transaction that I've done in the beginning of this video. Okay, so it's very simple. You can send and receive from one platform to another. So if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and take care.